This reveals the real secret he protected, the sacred principle of Ma'at. Ma'at wasn't just a goddess. It was the core concept of truth, balance, and cosmic order that held the Egyptian universe together. It was the force that kept chaos from winning. Every action Anubis takes is in service of this principle. When he weighs the heart, he's upholding cosmic justice. When he invents mummification, he's restoring order to defy the chaos of decay. And in The Tale of Two Brothers, Anpu's quest is a personal crusade for Ma'at. He restores his brother's life not just from love, but to correct a great injustice. Justice isn't an abstract idea, it's a deeply felt responsibility.